As a YouTube gamer, what content would you be able to pull viewers to Patreon? They get so much free gaming content, so you wouldn't be giving them gaming content on Patreon, okay? So a Meddler Forever, what you would be giving them on Patreon would be a closer proximity to you, private streams with you, a private message with you, private gaming sessions with you, possibly a private Q&A with you, behind the scenes on your channel and your stream. You're going to sell them proximity to you. They can't really get that proximity on a regular live stream. They can just chat with you while watching you stream live, right? Like you guys are doing right now. But if they pay you money on Patreon, maybe they can talk to you one-on-one. Maybe they can do a group Q&A. Maybe they can get behind the scenes photos. Maybe they can get early access to your content. Maybe you can sign a piece of merchandise for them. You get it? So you're giving them proximity. You're giving them something more exclusive and closer to you as an individual, as a gaming creator, and that can help build deeper connections with your audience. And also it gives them something that only money can buy, right? They are paying for proximity. You get it? Hope that makes sense to you.